building with them. We teach the process. That's kind of entrepreneurship or entrepreneurship experience.
So the most important thing is that it's not just be afraid of how advanced AI will be. It's a matter of co-work to make the world much better. Thank you.
I have 3 ingredients that are running around: tomato, cheese, and a pineapple.
It focuses on the UN sustainability goal.
For 2 people to play when they are bored.
I made this game because I want to bring up the message about no plastic use, recycle things instead of single use. We made a marble run for pills because if the children do not like medicine, they can play and have the medicine at the same time.
The goal of this project is the player is controlling the mouse, moving where the mouse goes also facing the direction of movement.
Why multiprocessing? I can multiply the efficiency.
So then we decided to use our brains to think of an idea. Just like a robot.
When you do more presentation, then you know that you'll be speaking to someone else.
It's very important in your life, or if you would like to be an engineer.